Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Now, if you own a G Series M3, M4, I'm going to show you how to remove this factory mounting box, which is a bit big and ugly, and replace it with our OEM Delete Kit, which is a little bit smaller. I'll show you how. So I'm just going to quickly explain how a kit works. So by removing this factory box, you can replace it with our Delete Kit, which are just two little mounting blocks that sit behind the plate. You can repair this up with our number plate bracket. Now, you need to grab a bracket that suits your plate, be it Slimline, Euro, Heritage, etc. And by combining these two parts together, you get a nice floating look that's very low profile, and you won't have this bulkiness left on the car. Now, there are situations where owners are still receiving new cars, so whether you have the car ready or about to receive the car, I'll give you a few pointers. So if you're about to receive the car, I strongly suggest that you call your dealer and tell them that you will be providing your own mounting solution for your number plate. The reason is because this mounting box that they fit at the dealership level, they will put 4 holes on your bar, and you don't really have much of a choice of where they go. If you provide our mounting kit, you can choose the location, avoiding any unnecessary holes onto the bumper. If you're an existing owner and you already have this mounted, that is fine, because our Plinth Delete Kit is designed to go back into the factory holes, which are these two at the top here. The bottom 2 will be left and be hidden and unseen behind our bracket. Installation is quite simple. All you got to do is take out the screws holding on your number plate. There's 4 screws behind here which will remove the box, and this just simply goes in its place. I'll show you how to get that done. So install is easy. The plinth comes in a pair. So left is for the left side, being the passenger or driver side, if you're in Australia, and you go to right for the right side. All you got to do is take the plinth out, use the screw that's included, and that goes into the factory hole if it's already there. Now that we have mounted our Delete Kit, the next part is to grab yourself an aluminium number plate bracket. So we're mounting slimlined, so make sure you grab a slimline bracket to match. We have different brackets to suit different plates, so just make sure you grab the correct one. All you gotta do is pick a slot, line it up with a thread, and bolt it up, and then the plate can go on in the 4 corners. I've got the bracket on. Now, there's a few key features here. The bracket, we've designed it specifically so it doesn't touch that little painter section on the grill, call it. Also, there's little markings in the center and also on each end where the bolts go, and that will help you center the bracket perfectly. So now I'm gonna mount number plate, and I've also got to add security screws, which the customer has option for. And there you have it. We've successfully removed the big factory mounting box to create a nice floating look that's nice and clean. Being an aluminium bracket, it's going to outlast the number plate and possibly even the car. It's quite strong. If you have a slimline plate from a state that's smaller, that's got to really tidy up the look overall. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.